If you've been running into ElevenLabs AI problems, especially the dreaded character limit reached error or a quota and credits exhausted message, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what these errors mean, why they happen, and the fastest ways to fix them so you can get back to generating high-quality voice content without wasting time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy AI and software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's talk about the character limit reached problem. This usually happens when the text you're trying to generate is simply too long for one request. In ElevenLabs, especially depending on your plan and the tool you're using, there are limits on how many characters can be processed at once. If your script is too big, the system will stop you and show that limit message. The easiest fix is to split your text into smaller chunks. Instead of pasting one giant script into the generator, break it into sections and generate them separately. For example, if you have a long narration, divide it into intro, main points, and outro. That way, each section stays within the allowed character range and you avoid errors. Another smart fix is to use Studio for long scripts instead of trying to do everything in a single text-to-speech run. Studio is better suited for bigger projects because it gives you more control over how the voice is handled across longer content. If you're working on videos, podcasts, or full narration tracks, this can save you a lot of frustration. It also helps to check the actual character limits for your plan or tool version. As a general rule, free accounts may only allow around 2,500 characters per request, while paid plans can often handle 5,000 or more, depending on the feature you're using. These limits can change, so if you're not sure, review the current ElevenLabs usage rules before pasting large scripts. Now let's move to the second common issue: quota or credits exhausted. This means you've used up the usage included in your monthly plan. In other words, the platform is telling you that you no longer have enough credits left to generate more audio until your allowance resets or you add more usage. To check this, go to your profile, then open subscription. From there, look for your remaining credits or usage balance. This will show you how much of your monthly allocation is left. If you're close to zero, that explains why generation is being blocked. If your credits are gone, you have a few options. You can wait for the next billing cycle if your plan resets monthly. You can also upgrade your plan if you need more usage. And if your account supports it, enable usage-based billing so you can continue generating even after your standard credits run out. One practical tip is to keep an eye on your usage before starting a big project. That way, you don't build out a full script only to find out you can't generate the voiceover at the end. Checking your credits first can save you a lot of time. So to quickly recap, if you see a character limit reached error, split your text into smaller chunks, use Studio for long scripts, and verify your limits. If you see a quota or credits exhausted message, go to Profile, then Subscription, check your remaining credits, and either wait for reset, upgrade, or enable usage-based billing if available. I hope this helped you solve your ElevenLabs AI problems quickly and clearly. If it did, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more troubleshooting tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.